Why learning every day? Phrases matters. Do you ever get stuck in conversations, not knowing what to say next? Do you feel nervous or worry about saying something wrong? You're not the only one. Many English learners face this. They learn grammar, memorize words, but still struggle to speak naturally. Here's the truth. You don't need big words, you need the right phrases. Phrases that native speakers use every single day. In today's lesson, I'll share 10 simple English phrases I use all the time. I'll give you real examples, fun ways to remember them, and tips to practice easily. Let's get started. 1. How's it going? A casual way to say, how are you? But more natural. Example. Hey Sam, how's it going? Not bad, just tired from work. You? Why, it's great. Most native speakers don't always say, how are you? This one sounds more friendly and relaxed. Practice tip. Look in the mirror and imagine greeting a friend. Hey, how's it going? Try different replies. Great, just had lunch. Or, not too good, lots of work. 2. I'll get back to you. Use this when you're not sure about something. Yet. Example. Boss. Can you finish the report by Monday? You. I'll get back to you after checking my schedule. Why it's useful. It makes you sound confident and professional. Practice. Tip. Use it in messages or emails instead of saying, I don't know. 3. I'm just kidding. This is perfect when you're joking. Example. Friend. Did you eat the whole cake? You. Yes, I was hungry. I'm just kidding. Why it's fun. It keeps the mood light and helps avoid confusion. Practice. Tip. Try telling a short joke and end with, I'm just kidding. 4. It's up to you. Let the other person decide. Example. Where should we eat tonight? You. It's up to you. I'm okay with anything. Why it's helpful. Saves time and makes you sound easygoing. Practice. Tip. Use it when making plans with friends or family. 5. I see what you mean. This shows you understand someone's point. Example. I think online classes are better. You. Yeah, I see what you mean. They're more flexible. Why it's powerful. It makes conversations deeper and shows you're listening. Practice. Tip. Use it in discussions, even in class or debates. 6. Could you repeat that? A polite way to ask someone to say it again. Example. The train leaves at 6:45. You. Sorry, could you repeat that? Why it matters. Shows confidence, not weakness. Practice. Tip. Watch English videos, pause, and say, could you repeat that? Then replay. 7. I'm on my way. Let someone know you're coming. Example. Friend, where are you? You. I'm on my way. Why it's natural. Sounds friendly and clear. Practice tip. Send this in texts instead of I'm coming. 8. That sounds great. Use this to say yes with excitement. Example. Want to go for a walk? You. That sounds great. Why it works. Makes you sound positive and happy. Practice tip. Use it when someone invites you to do something. 9. Never mind. Say this when you want to drop something or change your mind. Example. You start asking a question, then realize it's not important. Ah, never mind. Why it helps. Saves you from awkward pauses. Practice. Tip. When you forget what you wanted to say, just smile and say, never mind. 10. Let me know. Use it when you want someone to tell you something later. Example. Let me know when you're free and we'll hang out. Why it's smart. It's short, kind, and keeps the conversation open. Practice tip. Use it in your next message to a friend. Summary. The journey of learning English. Naturally. Learning English is not just about memorizing grammar rules or long vocabulary lists. It's about building real communication skills. Many learners spend years studying books, yet when it comes to speaking, they hesitate. Why? Because true fluency doesn't come from theory. It comes from practice. Think about how you learned your first language. Did you start with textbooks or grammar charts? Number. You listened to the people around you. You repeated simple phrases. You practiced by speaking again and again, sometimes with mistakes, sometimes perfectly. That's how fluency is built, through exposure, repetition, and confidence. English is no different. If you want to speak naturally, you don't need to know 10,000 difficult words. You just need the right set of daily expressions and the courage to use them. These small, simple phrases like, "How's it going?" "Let me know," or "I'm just kidding," are the real tools of fluent speakers. They're the phrases people use in coffee shops, in offices, with friends, and even in texts. The key is consistency. If you learn just one phrase a day and actually use it in a real conversation, your fluency will improve faster than someone who spends hours memorizing but never speaks. So, don't aim for perfection, aim for connection. Speak even if you make mistakes. Ask questions. Listen carefully. Learn from real conversations. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. In the end, English isn't just a subject. It's a skill, a bridge, a device that connects you with the world. So take small steps every day, and soon you'll be walking, running, and even dancing with English. Chapter 2. Why natural English matters more than perfect English. In school, we are taught that good English means perfect grammar, long words, and writing essays. But in real life, native English speakers don't always speak in perfect grammar. They use simple, short phrases. They speak with emotion. They pause, laugh, interrupt. And that's what makes the language feel real. Think about this. You don't say, "I am feeling joyful about the upcoming weekend." You just say, "I can't wait for the weekend." It's short, natural, and it shows your real feelings. Many learners get stuck because they try to speak like a textbook, not like a real person. They overthink every word, worry about making mistakes, and lose confidence. But here's the truth. People won't judge your grammar, they'll feel your message. That's why using everyday English phrases is so important. These small phrases help you. Start conversations easily. "Hey, how's it going?" Show understanding. "Yeah, I see what you mean." Sound friendly and confident. "That sounds great." Handle mistakes smoothly. "Oops, never mind." When you learn these natural expressions, English becomes fun. You no longer fear speaking. You start enjoying it. You feel the language, not just study it. Tip. Watch real conversations, interviews, vlogs, or story-based lessons. Listen to how people talk. Copy their tone. Repeat their expressions. Don't just learn English. Live it. Chapter 3. Step-by-step guide to speak English fluently. So you know that natural English is more useful than textbook English. But how do you actually become fluent? Is there a magic trick? Not really, but there is a clear, simple path. And if you follow it every day, you'll see results. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Focus on daily phrases. Instead of learning 20 new words a day, Focus on 5 useful phrases. Phrases like, "I'll get back to you," "Let me know," "I'm just kidding." Why? Because phrases are ready to use. You don't have to build sentences in your head. You just say them naturally. Step 2. Speak out loud every day. Practice speaking alone. Yes, really. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. "I'm making tea. It's really hot today. I'm going to watch a video." This builds confidence and helps your brain get used to English sentence structures. Step 3. Use voice notes and mirror talk. If you're shy or don't have a speaking partner, use voice messages or mirror speaking. Record yourself using 2 to 3 new phrases every day. Look in the mirror and have a mini conversation with yourself. This helps improve pronunciation, tone, and expression. Step 4. Listen, repeat, imitate. Watch English videos, podcasts, or series. Don't just listen. Pause and repeat what they say. Copy the rhythm. Copy the pronunciation. Copy the emotion. This technique is called shadowing, and it's one of the fastest ways to sound like a native speaker. Step 5. Don't fear mistakes. Use them. Every mistake you make is a lesson. Don't hide from them. Laugh, correct, and move on. Remember, fluency comes from using the language, not just studying it. Children make hundreds of mistakes when learning to speak, but they don't stop, and that's why they improve fast. Step 6. Celebrate small wins. Said a new phrase correctly, understood a video without subtitles, had a 2-minute chat in English. Celebrate it. Small wins create motivation. Motivation creates habit, and habit leads to fluency. In short, speak every day. Use real-life phrases. Practice with energy. Don't be afraid. Keep going. You're not just learning English, you're building a skill for life. One phrase at a time, one step at a time, and soon you'll speak English with ease, confidence, and joy. Chapter 4. Your English journey starts today. Don't stop now. You've come this far. You've learned the power of natural phrases. You've seen how fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about being real. And now you have the tools. But the real question is, will you use them? Every successful English speaker you admire, whether on YouTube, in movies, or in your classroom, was once a beginner too. They were unsure, shy, scared of making mistakes, but they kept going. They spoke when their voice trembled. They made grammar mistakes and still smiled. They forgot words and used gestures. They didn't stop, and that made all the difference. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Speak one phrase today. Watch one video tomorrow. Write one sentence the next day. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about doing something every day. Your voice matters. Your story matters. Maybe you're learning English to get a job, travel the world, teach others, or just feel confident in conversations. Whatever your reason is, it's powerful. Hold on to it, because English is not just a language, it's a tool that can change your life. It can open doors, build relationships, and give you the power to express yourself fully. So don't quit. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Start small. Start simple. Start speaking. And one day you'll look back and realize, I made it. I speak English. I did it. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.